Hello, this is Cara Brandon, and I am here today with my flip through of my recent journal that I made with the printed cover from Pretty Florals. This is how the cover turned out. I said earlier that I kind of wanted to cover up some of this crazy stitching, so this is what I came up with. I added some ribbon and just did some stitching. Then ended up all being crazy stitching, so it's all good. And then I did the same thing here on the inside of the cover. I think it looks all right. It is a little wonky, but I think it's okay. And then I made an envelope flip. So this is a piece of fabric, and I attached 2 envelopes. And I need to put something in this pocket, so I decorated the inside of the pocket there. That's the kit. And then I did, what's it called? Jelly printing the other day, which I haven't done in forever. And it definitely took me a while to kind of get back into the hang of it, but I had some really fun prints from that. And then I took some of the prints and cut them down to smaller sizes and then turned those into tags. So I thought that was fun because the Pretty Florals is kind of a mixed media-ish feel with the backgrounds. So I thought it would go well with the kit. And then this is a leftover file folder from my, the purple file folder folio that I made. So I used that. And there's another jelly print, just cut off a corner of it. Some really pretty scrapbook paper that went with the kit. And then this is another print, and it's a like flip down thing. Made my words. And then this is from the new Elizabeth Craft Design release. I love that stamp. I'm excited about that new release. Here's another journaling card that I just tucked in there. And then this envelope I also did the printing on and some collage. And here's another one of the tags. And then another piece of scrapbook paper. And then I have a video of this where I did the window envelope collage. And here's the tag that I put in here. And there is a pocket here. I don't have anything in that pocket right now. And then after the video, I decided to make, oh man, is it stuck? To make this a hidden paper clip so that it stays a little more securely. And I wanted it to not be glued down since I did take time and collage the back, and then it can be moved around, maybe. Oh, there we go. All right, it's catching on the paper. There we go. And then another piece from the kit. See what I'm saying? Like there's mixed media feel to the kit. So I thought that's why some in this too. Some of the mixed media pieces would look fun. A journaling page from the kit. Another page. And I did shrink this down since this journal is a bit smaller. Oh, and I need to do something in the middle. I think I have little metal, I don't know if I have butterflies, but I have something that I'm going to add to that. But for now, we'll just do that. And here's the over the page collaged envelope that I did. And here's some tags. And here's this one. I'll have the information either in an iCard above that you can watch after this video or in the description. So if you want to go back and see that one, if you're interested in how I did those. I love that flower from the kit. I just love that flower. And that one too. And some more coffee dye paper. Just have a little tuck spot here. Another little one with a tag. More of that scrapbook paper. Another kit. Or kit. Another tag. Another kit. Oh my gosh. Losing it. And then I pulled out my edge punch and I thought that looked really fun. Glassine. No. Yeah, this is a... What is this? Parchment paper, I think, that I did the jelly print over. and just made it a little tuck spot. And then this is a vellum envelope that I have right there, and another one of those flips like that, and another piece from the new Elizabeth Craft Design release, some more journaling cards and a tag. And then here's the other envelope. Oh, I remember what I was going to put in here are my tags that I made on Friday. If I could find them. Huh, I knew there was something. I'm like, what was I going to put in here? Yeah, where did they go? I thought Oh, here they are. These little guys. Yep. These are the ones. So we can put one here. And if you want this freebie, it's from Friday the 26th. And you want to join the Facebook group, and then you can get, that's fun like that, this printable that matches perfectly with this kit. I can tuck that one right there. All right, so this is my Pretty Florals soft cover junk journal. Thanks so much for watching the final flip through, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.